In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create a clustered bar chart in SPSS. We'll be working with a small fictional data set that includes the gender and favorite ice cream flavor of 40 subjects. We want to compare how ice cream preferences differ between males and females. A clustered bar chart is perfect for this. To create a clustered bar chart in SPSS, we go to Graphs, then Bar. In the Bar Charts dialog box, we select Clustered. Under Data in Chart R, we select Summaries for groups of cases, then we click the Define button. This brings up the dialog box that you see on screen. First, we select the variable that we want to display on the horizontal axis, ice cream flavor in our case, and move it to the category axis box. Then we select the second variable, gender in our case, and we move it to the Define Clusters By box. Under Bars Represent, we choose the option that we want. For this chart, we're going to display percentage of cases so that we can compare male and female preferences as percentages, making it easier to compare between them. We can add a title by clicking the Titles button, entering our chart name, and then clicking Continue. When we're ready, we click OK, and SPSS will generate our chart in the output viewer. Here's our clustered bar chart. The blue bars represent the females, and the burgundy bars represent the males. If we add up the percentages for the females, we get 100%, and it's the same for the males. From this chart, we can see clear differences between men and women. A bigger percentage of females prefer Rocky Road and strawberry ice cream, and a bigger percentage of males prefer vanilla. Well, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.